scene opens with a lively intro jingle, upbeat music playing in the background. The screen shows the channel's logo, Buy Smart, with flashing lights. Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we take the guesswork out of shopping. Today, we're diving into the world of UPS battery replacements. You know, those little boxes of magic that keep your electronics from going kaput during a blackout? On my left, we have the APC UPS Battery Replacement RBC17, and on my right, the APC UPS Battery Replacement, lovingly known as, well, we'll get to that in a second. Let's see which one deserves your hard-earned cash and which one is just a pretty face. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The RBC17 is priced at a sweet $56, while product B is strutting its stuff at a whopping $88. Reviewers of the RBC17 appreciate its affordability, noting it's a great option for those on a budget. On the flip side, product B is seen as a more premium choice, but some users feel the cost is a bit steep compared to its benefits. If you're on a budget, RBC17 is like that friend who picks up the tab at the bar, while product B is that friend who insists on expensive cocktails. Now, let's talk performance. The RBC17 promises to restore your UPS runtime for better performance, and users have reported great satisfaction with its functionality, particularly highlighting its easy installation and effectiveness. Meanwhile, product B claims to restore performance to original specifications, and some reviewers have noted it works perfectly and has revived their UPS without any issues. Both batteries are maintenance-free, which is a plus, but the RBC17 has garnered more positive feedback regarding its immediate impact after installation. Compatibility time. The RBC17 is compatible with numerous models, making it a versatile choice like the popular kid in school. Reviewers have expressed satisfaction with its wide compatibility and ease of installation. On the other hand, product B is a bit more exclusive, compatible with select models only, which some users found limiting. If you've got one of those fancy models that product B works with, congratulations! But if not, RBC17 is probably your best bet. Now, let's talk warranties and recycling. Product B comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, which users appreciate for added peace of mind. Meanwhile, RBC17 doesn't specify a warranty, leading to some uncertainty among potential buyers. Product B also offers a recycling program, which is fantastic for eco-conscious consumers. Reviewers have had positive experiences with the recycling process, while RBC17 has a recycling guide too, but it seems most people don't pay much attention to those. Overall, the RBC17 has received rave reviews for its affordability, performance, and ease of use, with many users highlighting its effectiveness in restoring power during outages. Product B, while more expensive, has also been praised for its reliability and warranty features. Both products have their strengths, but user preference seems to lean towards the RBC17 for its value and functionality. So what's the verdict? If you want a budget-friendly, reliable choice, go with the RBC17. But if you're feeling a little fancy and want that warranty and recycling program, product B might just be your cup of tea, or should I say, your cup of battery juice. Remember folks, whether you're buying a battery or a new couch, always, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our next comparisons. Until next time, keep those electronics powered up and your wallets happy.